guys, hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw this beautiful scenery with father and baby. So let's just get on to the video. So guys, this is the list of colors. So nice basic colors. Yeah, so these are the measurements. So this is 17.3x 26 paper, and you should put a mark by 11 cm. That's where the black will be. So that's where like the black will be, and there from black, that point to the end will be the burgundy red. So yeah, that circle is like, it has an 8 cm diameter. So yeah, so guys, we're just gonna take some Tipex or correction fluid, and we'll just like trace it around the lines of what we drew with the pencil, like the circle. So you're just gonna trace it so like the oil pastel doesn't go through. You know, you can fix it up later, but just in case. So yeah guys, that's the first step. And now we're going to take some bumblebee yellow, and we will just like color like a first layer of yellow around the circle. So don't make that layer like too thick, because we have a lot of colors to like, you know, draw with later. Bumblebee yellow is a very nice color, a very bright yellow. So yeah. Now we're going to use some lemon yellow, basic lemon yellow, and we're just going to press nice and like medium hard, you know, and we're just going to blend the transition between the bumblebee and the lemon. So yeah. And guys, if you make a perfect transition and press like in the medium hard like level, you know, you don't even have to use a cotton bud or a tissue to blend. You can just blend with oil pastels. So now we're gonna use some amber orange to like make a sunset like scenery. Like, it's nice, I don't know. So just gonna use sunset colors and then go on to black. So that's how it is. Amber orange is also a very nice color. Don't make like the circles, semicircles around, you know, what we drew earlier very thick, because there's lots of colors to go on the page. So yeah. You can even layer colors on top of each other to make a good blending. So as I'm showing right here, you have to layer up the colors. That'll make a better transition. Now we're going to use some Tangelo orange. We're going to like draw an outline and then color in and blend and everything. So Tangelo orange, you know, it's a bit darker than the amber, so they're very similar colors. Just going to blend them nicely. We can layer, as I said earlier. If you layer well enough, you don't even have to use a tissue. Like, you have to press medium hard, not too hard, but like a level. in level. So yeah. Now we're going to use some carmine red, and we're just gonna draw like an outline and then do as usual, just color in. So as I said, like just press in a medium hard like level, so don't press too hard. This might look like a very dark red, but it's a bit brighter than the burgundy red. You can fill up all the like, white patches and everything, because we want it to show pure pigment. Layer on top to make a better transition, and the colors must like flow, like it should be a perfect transition. Now we're going to use some burgundy red. Just gonna start from where we mark the point, and this is very, very much, darker than the carmine red. So if you press hard, like so much pigment comes out. So burgundy red, the best way to describe it is it's basically a pure red. Guys, press nice and hard, like in a medium level. Now we're going to use some black. So at the point, we're just going to draw like an outline and then, shade in with the black, going a bit lighter. And guys, you can, if you want, go in with some white if you want a really good transition between the black and the red. So yeah. Just gonna make a nice outline, then we're going to fill it in. So as I said, we're just going to use some white. So like between the very dark color, we're just going to make like a gray, and then it'll be easier to blend in with the red. So these are a bit different colors compared to the rest, so it takes a bit hard to blend. Gonna use the cotton bud especially now, and we're going to just rub it, and it'll help to make a good blend and transition. You can use a tissue if you'd like. You can fill up the patchiness if there's any. So now we're going to use a black permanent marker, and we're going to draw two trees, one by each side. So we can just draw the branches. There's no specific shape of like a tree. So this is your world. You can draw some branches, as many as you'd like. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna like fill in with the markers now. Like you can do this with a very nice and fine tip, so like you can get some details there. Now we're just going to draw the other tree. Just you can make it like the one we drew on the other side. So yeah. Just gonna draw the branches. Okay guys, just gonna like fill it. Now we're just gonna use a pencil, and we're going to draw the father and the girl. Very simple. Like we're gonna color this in black later after we're done drawing the sketch. Just gonna draw the dress. Okay guys, I'm just gonna fill it in with the black marker, and yeah. So guys, this is a basic drawing. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a nice day, a wonderful day. Bye!